Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to reset VW Passat climate control, only way. Start by turning the ignition to accessory without starting the engine and set climate to off. Press and hold the recirculation and a /C buttons together until vents calibrate. Then cycle ignition off and on to confirm system rebooted and controls respond normally with consistent fan and temperature behavior. Begin with the ignition in accessory mode and climate switched off. Then press the recirculation and a /C buttons together and hold for roughly 10 seconds until you see the vents twitch or hear actuator movement. That confirms the control module has entered reset mode, so turn the ignition fully off and then back on to let the system complete its self-test and restore normal operation. If the basic reset does not yield vent movement, check fuse locations and inspect actuator connectors for loose pins. Use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear stored climate faults and rerun the reset routine. And note that repeated failures often indicate a faulty actuator or control module that needs professional diagnosis or replacement to restore reliable climate function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.